Welcome back to video 27, and in 27 we're going to talk about SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is quite an interesting subject. It can start off by paying money to actually get your site ranked up. It can work on referrals, where you actually refer certain sites that to bump up your site to more popular sites. And the other thing that you can do is actual content building, where you can take your site and you build your site as to get the descriptions and keywords inside your meta tags to correspond with Google. So a lot of people don't know or don't understand SEO, search engine optimization, and that's kind of what we're going to dive into with this video. We're going to have a look at how to implement SEO into your website or blog, and we're also going to look at two options of doing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate towards our website, where we will start to get a plugin that can help us to do the whole SEO for us. So let's go to our site. And our site is the test site. So I'm going to go and log into my site. Once I'm logged into my site, I will go to, just want to log in, and I will go to plugins, because we're going to add a new plugin into our site, right? So once I have logged in and went to plugins, I'm going to go and add new. Now the one that I'm going to search for is all-in-one SEO, because we want an all-in-one SEO application that can do everything for us. So we've got a WooCommerce all-in-one SEO pack, and we've got a all-in-one SEO pack in general. So we need to make a decision as to which one we're going to go for. So we can see that this is based on 5 ratings, and it's got a couple of versions going. Let's have a look at the all SEO pack and the normal one. You can see that this all SEO has got 1,400 ratings, so I'll rather go for this one. So I'm going to go and install this plugin right now. And whilst it's installing, I'm just going to go and activate the plugin. You need to have a general idea behind SEO. You need to know in which direction you want the whole website to go, and you need to go and figure out what is the best for your website and then move in that direction. So once I've activated my plugin, it's going to have an all-in-one SEO, and it's going to tell me that welcome to version 2.2. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click on all-in-one SEO, and we're going to start setting up SEO for our website. So if you want, you can actually donate to these people if you feel real comfortable about it. I'm just going to go and explain to you in general what we want and what we're going to do in a bit. So I want you to scroll down right to the bottom, and I'm going to just say update options. And basically why I'm doing this is because I'm activating the SEO. So it says your database meta needs to be updated. So I'm just going to go and update the database. So it's automatically been updated for us. So the first thing that I get when I locate to the plugin settings is the homepage settings. So you can actually go and say homepage title, homepage description, and homepage keywords. So if you don't know what this is, if you have your normal website, and if we go and visit our website, websites get tracked by the following stuff. So I'm just going to go and open up my code. So websites get tracked by search engine optimization by looking at descriptions. I'm just going to go back, looking at description, looking at keywords, and looking at a specific title. You can see that we don't really have anything here. And if I actually go and find title, you can see that it just says WordPress site right there. Okay, so we need to go and change this, right? We need to change this so that search engine optimization can actually pick something up, right? And if you go and you type in description, you will see that nothing gets picked up. So we can go and change this. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to search this specific function. And you'll see that not really something gets picked up. I mean, the meta tag description, and then it just got some bunch of lorem ipsum in there. So you know the plugin has got a more defined way of actually setting stuff. So we can go here, testing site 1, 2, 3. and we're gonna go for the description. We're gonna go, this is a testing site that we are testing for the video. Now you can, define this. So we're gonna say keyword. So testing site, no one this site go away. So that's the couple of keywords that we want people to pick up the website for when they search in Google. So I'm just going to go and update the options. And if we update the options and everything was successful, and then we press reload on our code section, then you will see that in the description now it says this is a testing site that we are testing for the video. So it means that it's changing the certain content to relevant what we've typed in the settings. And if you go to title, it says testing 1, 2, 3. So it just shows you that with this little plugin, you have way more ability to adjust and change the SEO settings on your site. So the other thing that I want to show you is actually the post section. One of the most important things about SEO is that a lot of things like posts are main things that actually apply to getting more people to your site. So the more posts you do, the more content you have, the more people you drive towards your website. So let's create another post. We're going to say this is yet another post. In this post, you are going to read about more information about this website. Let's say this is our post, and we're just going to go and publish the post. And I just want to show you like how the post looks like we can know that, okay, the post has been created. So I'm just waiting for this to load up, and I'm going to say view post. And if I view the post, you can see that, okay, this is a post, and it is it's a post, and it's a posted about me. So one thing that I picked up is in general, WordPress, you cannot set the SEO for this, right? You cannot go and say, okay, this is the title of the post. At the moment, the title is, this is yet another post. So the title is the title of the actual post. But with all-in-one SEO, you can actually go and change the title to, let's say post 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And we can say description. So we can go yet another post. And we can go keywords that separates it. So we can go post, another, good post, and so forth. So you can say robots, no index, robots meta, no follow, and disable the page or post. So we're just going to leave that, and we're going to say update. Basically what we're doing is we're just telling the SEO or telling the search engines, okay, this is what you're going to get inside of this post. So at the moment it says, at the top it says yet another post. So if I go and refresh the whole thing or reload, you're going to see that it just say post 1, 2, 3. Because if we go back to the SEO, you can see that it says post 1, 2, 3. And that's in essence how you can use all-in-one SEO pack to get what you want. Note that I would encourage you to actually go and read up more about SEO before playing around with all-in-one SEO. Yet another plugin that I want to show you in part 2 would be a more all-in-one and more powerful SEO plugin than currently what we have with all-in-one SEO.